Are you looking to transform your home with a stunning new roof? Re-roofing is the perfect solution to enhance your property's appearance and value. At Pro Roofing Brisbane, we specialise in providing high-quality re-roofing services tailored to your needs. Our experienced team uses top-grade materials to ensure durability and longevity. A new roof can significantly improve energy efficiency, keeping your home comfortable year-round while reducing power bills. We understand that a roof replacement is a big investment. That's why we offer affordable pricing options and transparent quotes without hidden fees. Our process begins with a thorough inspection of your current roof. We assess its condition and discuss your preferences for materials and styles. Once decisions are made, our skilled crew will safely and efficiently remove the old roof, preparing your home for the new installation. We take pride in our craftsmanship, ensuring every shingle and tile is installed to perfection, with attention to detail on every project. At Pro Roofing Brisbane, we prioritise safety. Our team follows strict safety protocols to protect your property and our workers during the re-roofing project. Curious about what styles and materials are available? We offer a wide selection, including asphalt shingles, metal roofing, and tiles, catering to various aesthetics. Our commitment doesn't end with installation. We provide warranties on our work, giving you peace of mind that your new roof is built to last. Transform your home's curb appeal and enhance its protection against the elements. Contact us today for a free consultation. Don't wait until small leaks turn into major problems. Act now and invest in your home with a reliable new roof that stands the test of time. Join countless satisfied homeowners who have trusted Pro Roofing Brisbane with their re-roofing needs. We are ready to help you. Visit our website or call us now to get started on your re-roofing project today. Your dream roof is just a call away.